We are apartment hunting in New York City between the price range of $4,000 to $4,500. Don't forget to check out our previous apartment hunting videos as well. Now let's get started. Our first spot is going to be this one, which was posted only 16 minutes ago, so you know it's fresh on the market for when this video is being recorded. All right, so it is $4,050 a month, one bed, one bath. Looks like a nice, decent spot. Great space here. All right, you got some trees covering. Let's see. All right, so this is another angle. Ooh, all right, so you got your kitchen, and all right, that might be the bathroom. Ooh, nice bathroom. Okay, it's all right, good size. All right, and this is another angle, and this is back to the first. So we got these, all right, not too bad for $4,050. Hopefully you're in a really good spot. Wow, it's 100 on the walk score and 100 on the transit score. So you know it must be really nice. All right, so let's see what else we can find, and hopefully we might get something really nice. Also comment below if you would split and get a roommate for this kind of pricing. This does seem quite a lot. So let's go with this first one bed. It is $4,250, and sometimes they combine all the images together, but I think they did a good job separating it this time. So here is our first image. Ooh, nice floor to ceiling window slash door. Okay, nice bright spot. Looks like you're very high up. All right, nice kitchen. Ooh, wow, views are gonna be insane. Sunset or sunrise. Okay, nice, beautiful washroom, and this is the building. Wow, nice place. Very nice place. Comment below if you are currently looking for a spot, or if you just, prefer to watch apartment hunting videos. This is the workout room. Very nice spot. All right, so we have this one here for $4,500 a month. It's 2 bed, 1 bath. Ooh, you get some laundry. Very nice. Aircon is already built in. Ooh, very nice lighting. Great over here. Nice, looks like the bedroom. Nice washroom. And oh, so you got some outdoor space. Yes. Love it when apartments have access to the rooftop, and this is what it would look like from the outside. Looks like a very nice building, to be honest. I mean, like the inside, it's very nice. $4,500 rental apartment. It is 3 bed, 1 bath. Wow, over 1,000 square feet. Okay, that is pretty good. All right, so here is our first spot. Looks very large. Also looks very high up. Not too bright, but still pretty awesome. Nice kitchen. All right, so this is one of the bedrooms. This would be another bedroom, and this is possibly another bedroom. Wow, looks very large. Might be the camera angles, but all right. So here is the closet. Looks like a nice walk-in closet, washroom. Okay, and another picture, very nice, of like the view. Looks like a very nice spot. So in New York City, it's very common to have many roommates, and in this case you could have 3 roommates or 4 at max, or 5, to split everything down, and you might be in a good neighborhood, and it might work for a little bit, for a couple months, just to get the money racked up and get some savings where you're comfortable to move out on your own. We have the walk score at 99, which is awesome, and the bike score, which is at 93. So this is like a paradise for walkers and bikers, and it's in the Park Slope neighborhood. So this is kind of what you're gonna get in this space and area. Comment below if you prefer living by yourself or living with roommates in a more expensive place where you guys split the rent. And don't forget to check out these videos as well.